The dreaded clogged toilet. Oh, shh. The dreaded bathtub drain that's clogged. Turn this water on and it doesn't drain very well. It's draining really super slow. You know? Look how slow it's going. That's no good. Now the thought was to put some Drano down there or something like that. I mean, you could put some baking soda, a mixture with that and something else I've heard, and try it that way too. But I think it's clogged full of hair. And what do you suppose I'm going to use? If you've seen me use this before, it was for sinks, clogged up sinks. And this is what I've used. You've seen it. This is called the Zip It. And here's the little handle where you can pull it back and forth like that. And then it's got little teeth on it. See there? There's the plastic teeth on there. And this one's kind of worn. See how it's kind of tapered back at an angle? These are supposed to angle back all the way, but I've pulled it up and through several times with several sinks. I've never had an issue with this. And I think I'm going to be able to pull up lots of hair through there. And here's another thing. I've tried for drains before. See, this is a flexible line. It's got a little button at the end of it, and then it opens that up like that. Oh, hey, it's sticking. I haven't used this for a while. The tip is kind of rusty. See, push that open, and it does that business. I'm going to push that down there. If I can get it and see the trap before the floor drain all the way, there's a P-trap. There's an adjustable P-trap down there. So it only goes down so far. So I might be able to shove this all the way down there, keep grabbing hair, pull it back up, pull it back up. And I'm going to try that. I've never had to unclog a tub before. I guess this is the day to try. This is a test. This is a test. Let's see what I can do. And as you can see, where's my gloves at? I don't have any gloves on. But I see all kinds of hair down in there. I think I'm going to grab it with that first. Look at this. See that? That's why it's all clogged up. And I can just keep doing that because I've got that little end. Yuck. That's what's keeping the water from draining down there. Here, then maybe I can twist it like that. Wow, that kind of worked. Ugh. Ugh, yuckies. And, okay. Ugh, yes. Oh, yuck. Oh, yummy. Yum, 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 yum. I just ate breakfast too. Ugh. Feeling it in my gut already. Man, this pipe, it doesn't, usually the drain line goes straight down, but it might be at a really tight angle. And I might not be able to get this all the way down to the P-trap, you know? See, it's flexible. What it does, it goes down, and there's an elbow down there, really short, and then it goes back that way, attaches to the overflow, and then goes down. So see, wow, I got quite a bit right there. So luckily for me, this thing is flexible, so I'm trying to bend it and flex it down that way. See? keep working it and see if I can get anything else out of there. There's some. You've seen I've got quite a bit out of there already, and there's more right there that I can see. I just got to keep working this a little bit back and forth. And you know, if you look at that, I thought it was clear, and son of a gun, I still have all that. Now see, with Drano, you'd have to have that. See how far I'm going down there now? With Drano, you'd have to wait quite a while for that to dissolve all that hair. I want to get this fixed like pronto. I don't want to have to wait all day long for that stuff to work and hold my breath and everything. Okay. You know, based on the stuff that I've gotten out, I'll wager that it's gonna drain nice now. And it looks like I can see I might have been able to pull up a little bit more hair. I'm gonna keep trying a little bit more, but I'll get right back to you and see what happens. Can you believe all the stuff I got out of there? Look at, no joke, all of this crap was down there. Now I'm going to turn this back on and see what happens. And if you want to wear gloves, you can. Don't worry, I'm going to wash up when I get done. Okay? I haven't drained it yet. We're going to see what happens. Give it a little force here. Oh, would you look at that? I like it. I like it. No calling the plumber. No buying Drano and stuff like that to harm the environment. You know, here, let's get this full on so you can see it to believe it. Oh yeah. Isn't that a pretty sight? Well, there you have it. The Zip It has come through again. There it is. The Zip It. I like it. I like it a lot. And I use this. This didn't really work as well as I thought, but it helped me kind of grab the first bit in there. Because see this here, it's got a long, stiff end right there. If that was flexible too, I could have bent that down in there a little bit easier. And as you saw when I did it, that second go round, I went like that and twisted it. And that seemed to work and kind of pulled some more out. But then it was hard to get off of there. But then, once I used this here, then I got down and dirty with the Zip It. And got her done. Just like that. You can do it too. Ooh, glad that's done. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.